All right, we are in the St. Regis in Rome. Whoa. Uh-oh, that doesn't look good. Oh, just kidding. Oh, these are quick. All right, back up to 4. I've not seen barrel-shaped older DMG buttons like this before. Has the St. Regis logo on the COP, that's fancy. These are cool, I like these. Even though they're modded, they're still very, it was a tasteful mod. It's definitely a very tasteful mod, I'll say that. There is no chime though. Anyway, that's it.